Looking for a reliable dash cam without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the 5 best budget dash cams of 2025 that deliver great quality at a smart price. These affordable models pack essential features like clear video, night vision, and easy installation. Perfect for drivers who want safety and value combined. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with a video. First product on our list, KAWA D8 Dash Cam. The KAWA D8 Dash Cam delivers with its 4K front camera and 1080p rear lens. It captures every detail on the road, even license plates, thanks to the powerful Sony IMX415 sensor. This dash cam features built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and a 3 to 5-inch IPS display. With voice control, hands-free operation becomes effortless. Users can manage everything via the KAWA Auto app, available for both Android and iOS. Night driving? No problem. The night shot function ensures clarity even in low light. Loop recording and a G-sensor protect important files during sudden impacts. Its durable build handles extreme temperatures, and the 24-hour parking monitor adds peace of mind when the car is off. With support for up to 256 GB of memory, storage won't be a concern. Overall, the KAWA D8 is a smart, secure investment for daily drivers and road trip lovers. Second product on our list, BEPOCAM ZD80 3-lens 4K Dash Cam. The BEPOCAM ZD80, a high-performance 3-lens 4K dash cam built for total driving confidence. It records in stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution, with front, rear, and interior cameras capturing every angle. With its wide 170 degrees field of view and night shot function, even nighttime drives are crystal clear. Thanks to built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi, drivers can track speed, location, and access footage on the go via the WITCAM app. It supports up to 512 GB of storage, so running out of space is never a concern. The loop recording feature ensures non-stop coverage. Designed for all climates, it operates smoothly from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. And with motion detection and a 24-hour parking monitor, your vehicle is protected, even when parked. Powered by a reliable supercapacitor and housed in a compact design, the ZD80 delivers safety, convenience, and cutting-edge tech in one powerful package. Third product on our list, ANSVICAM 4K UHD Dash Cam. The ANSVICAM 4K UHD Dash Cam offers full coverage with 3 cameras, 4K front, plus 1080p rear and inside views. This ensures every angle of the car is recorded with sharp detail. Thanks to a wide 170 degrees field of view and an f1.8 aperture, it captures bright and clear footage, even at night, supported by advanced night vision technology. Driving in low light is no problem. Built-in GPS tracks your location in real time. Plus, Wi-Fi connectivity allows quick video transfers to your phone or computer. The 3.16-inch LCD screen provides easy access to footage and settings. It supports loop recording and features a G-sensor to save important clips during impacts. With up to 128 GB storage and parking monitoring, this dashcam keeps your vehicle protected all day. Compact and reliable, the ANSVICAM is a smart choice for any driver. Fourth product on our list, LINGDU D100 Smart Dash Cam. The LINGDU D100 Smart Dash Cam brings together performance and convenience in one compact device. With a crisp 2.5K resolution, it captures every road detail, perfect for daily commutes or long trips. Its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS features allow real-time location tracking and easy video sharing. Whether you're checking your route or saving a clip, everything stays connected and simple to access. Thanks to super night vision and WDR technology, the camera performs well even in low light. Streetlights, headlights, and dark corners are no match for its clarity. The mini design is sleek and discreet. It doesn't clutter the windshield, blending neatly into your car's interior without blocking your view. What makes it even better? voice control. Just say a command and the dash cam responds. No fumbling with buttons. Just hands-free control and peace of mind on the road. Fifth product on our list, BEPOCAM ZD80 Dash Cam. The BEPOCAM ZD80 is more than just a dash cam, it's a complete 3-camera security system for your car. With a 2.5K front camera, plus 1080p interior and rear cameras, it captures every angle in crisp, detailed video. Driving at night? No worries. Thanks to infrared night vision, footage stays clear even in low-light conditions. Whether it's city streets or a dark parking lot, the ZD80 doesn't miss a thing. It features loop recording so you never run out of space. And with a built-in G-sensor, it locks important clips automatically during collisions or sudden stops. Need round-the-clock protection? The 24-hour parking monitor has you covered. Just connect a hardwire kit, and it watches while you're away. Plus, with support for up to 256 GB micro SD cards, there's plenty of room for long trips. The BEPOCAM ZD80 delivers smart, reliable coverage every time you hit the road.